Welcome to episode 15 of the Nomad Sailor. In this special two-part episode, we're going to be leaving the boat behind in a life by the coast to venture inland in Morocco to explore the Sahara Desert. In order to do this, we're going to have to leave our city of Tétouan to head towards Tangier, before heading south to Casablanca, then we'll be heading into Marrakesh by train, where we'll be spending a few days exploring and looking around, before heading east into the Sahara to the desert city of Merzouga. Here we'll be looking at some famous sites, stumble upon a famous movie set, and camp overnight in the desert. We made it to the station. I think my bus is in like an hour-ish. I'm super early. So the situation is, the bus is actually delayed, and I got an email about it this morning telling me the bus is delayed, but it was in French. So I didn't understand it, and I thought it was just a reminder email. So I've come here and now I've got to kill like 2 hours. It's all good. I'm actually on FaceTime. Send me a mother. Having a little catch up. So we've now landed in Tangier, but we're not going to be here for very long because we're getting another train. Sorry, before I was in a coach, but now we're getting a train to Casablanca. Dude, this train station is freaking nice. Look at that. It has been a long travel, but we have finally arrived in Marrakech. It is so awesome, and this hotel is beautiful. It's so nice. The hotel is called the Imperial Holiday Marrakesh, and a huge thank you to my friend Murky for hooking me up with the room. I really appreciate it. And now, just one thing left to do that I know you all do when you get to a hotel. Whoa. That made me dizzy. But yeah, it's just been it's been a really long day. I'm just gonna freshen up, put my stuff away, and then we'll make a plan, we'll do something. You know, first things first, Marrakesh food was the first thing we had to do. So I've got some advice from the hotel on where's all the good food spots. Yeah, there's a street here with loads of different food places, so I'm gonna go for a little bit of a walk down here and we'll see where we can find some good tagine. This is the spot I've decided to go to. And then we have, this is the one vegetables, yes? And then we have this, yeah, that's the same one. And that was, is that the same? Yeah, same, yes.
For you, is this one?
Yes.
Mohammed.
Yes. Oh, yes. This is dope. This is my one here. That is a lamb tagine with prunes and raisins. That is very nice. Shukran bazaf, thank you. Wow. Wow, that looks amazing.
Enjoy, please.
Thank you very much. This looks so damn cool. Bismillah. I'm turning you off now because you must start eating like an animal. I don't want that on camera. That had to be easily some of the best food I've had since I've been here. I'm gonna head back to the hotel, but before I do that, I'm just gonna go and quickly grab some water and maybe a snack for the room. Assalamu alaikum. كيف حالك؟ الحمد لله. أبي أشيل هذه. واصلة. Good morning. Today's our first day exploring Marrakesh. We're going to start the day by going downstairs and having some breakfast, and then we'll go do some exploring. Alright, so the Marrakesh tour has begun. It is unbelievably hot. Like, when I say unbelievable, I genuinely mean it. Like, the air, the sun isn't that strong, but the air, when you breathe, the air is just like seriously hot. So yeah, I kind of came out just at the tail end of peak hour, so from here it should be cooling down, but we'll see how it goes. The first sight to see was a really old mosque in the centre of Marrakesh. Now unfortunately, the particular day that I went, you couldn't go inside and have a look, but it was okay to have a look on the outside and have a little walk around before I got way too hot and had to find a place to cool down. But another really cool thing about this place is that it's situated next to a really nice park, and I think I can hear a sprinkler. If that's the case, I'm there because I'm freaking hot as hell. I'm literally just waiting for that sprinkler to come my way. Oh. It's not even been more than 20 minutes and I'm already struggling. Wow, it is so hot. I just found a shaded spot in the park where I can have a bit of a break and drink some water. And I'm running through water like no one's business, but check it out. The next stop was the Salian Tombs. Now this place is really awesome. I'll be sure to leave some information so you can pause and have a look. But the energy in this place is absolutely amazing, and the really intricate artwork on all the little bits and pieces was stunning to look at. And you know me well enough by now to know that walking around the heat made me hungry, so food time. Alright, we're at the Casbah Cafe. Mustafa here is going to show us where we're going to go.
And you have some the palm tree.
Oh, that's beautiful.
And the terrace is there.
Yep, okay, thank you very much. Okay, so next on the hit list, we have the Bahia Palace, which is just in front of me here. So you can pay for a guide here, but if you just walk slow enough, you kind of overhear what all of the tour guides are saying anyway, so you get a tour without having to pay. That's how we do things here, we wing it, we don't plan. Feel free to pause here if you want to read some extra information. I'm not going to bore you with all the facts.
I mean, economy, agriculture, irrigation, everything that you can imagine, including also the architecture. Come with me please for a moment here, before we keep taking that. But it's what? The stucco. Stucco, which is the composition of plaster, the powder of marble to make it stronger, and the egg white. The egg white is to be like cement, and also to make the composition flexible enough. Once we put it in the wall, before it becomes tough, the egg white to make it a little bit supple in order to...
Full disclosure, I was absolutely knackered, and it's literally like 42, 43 degrees Celsius, and I wanted to go to one more place after looking at the palace, but it is too much. I'm absolutely shut. So I'm gonna go back to the hotel, rest up a little bit, let it cool down, and in the evening we're gonna go check out the main square, which is jamaatalpha. We made it to jamaatalpha, which is the main square. And it is absolutely heaving. There's so many people. So this place is absolutely booming and there's so much going on. It's just so full of life. But as you know, always walking around gets me hungry. So I've come to the food court now, and apparently there's a guy called Abdulaziz who has the best grilled food in this area. It's made by his mum, and a little stall called, I think it's 26. Just go and find him and have some grilled food. Abdulaziz, come here. Come here, brother. This is Abdulaziz.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Africa.
It's already looking good. He's already got us with the bread and the olives. Thank you very much for the food, brother.
Marhaba, brother. Marhaba.
It's all good.
Welcome home. Marhaba. Subscribe Nomad Sailor.
Yes, that's the one, brother. Thank you. Have a good day.
Bloody good man.
Thank you. In the next stall down, one of the guys was really eager to show me a popular street food, which was grilled sheep's head. Now, what was even stranger is that he claimed his boss at the restaurant was a former US president. I don't know if I want to eat sheep's head, but maybe.
Obama! Where is Obama? Obama, my boss. Okay, brother.
And then it was off to enjoy some local music.
Oh my God, move!
So just quickly come back to the hotel, freshened up a little bit, and I'm gonna go to a bar called Barometer Marrakesh. Now this bar, it's my friend Salman's bar, and it looks absolutely beautiful. It's one of, if not the nicest cocktail bar in the whole of Marrakesh, so let's go take a look. This spot is a must if you're ever in Marrakesh. It was such a nice vibe. But after the bar closed, I wasn't quite ready to go home yet, so I ended up going to a Moroccan music bar, and it was awesome. First thing the next morning, it was time to start making our way towards the Sahara Desert. Now on the way we made a few stops, first being a place called Ouzoud Falls. And on the way to the waterfall, we made another stop at a traditional Berber village, where we learned all about their history and their culture, including the production of olive oil and also argan oil.
This one is for couscous. We make couscous. Goats above argan trees in social media, on television.
They were saying that just to make a small batch of argan oil, the Berber women would sit here and grind for over 12 hours. That is absolutely exhausting.
You should always stay alert. You know, it's their profession, a kind of.
And as we got close to the waterfall, we got to see some of the amazing nature and the beautiful wildlife. I absolutely loved walking through the mountains and seeing these monkeys. They were just so cute and adorable. What really blew me away is as we got close to the waterfall, I was not ready for how absolutely breathtaking this place was going to be. Thank you so much for watching the first part of this episode. Make sure to come back for the second part where we finally land in the Sahara, and in the middle of the night I find something absolutely horrifying in the bathroom.